The Tipra Motha has once again made its stand very clear on the issue of a pre-poll alliance. Talking on the issue of alliance at a time when the Trinamool Congress is trying to make inroads into the state, Tipra chairman and royal sign Pradyut Debarma said that the stand of the Tipra is clear as far as pre-poll alliances are concerned. The Tripura Royal Sign said that the Tipra will only align with that party which provides a written assurance of supporting the Greater Tipraland demand. Listen in.
And ये बात आप तिपरा मोथा से चेयरमैन मैं हूँ, ये आप बात छोड़ दीजिए कि अलायंस किसके साथ होगा किसके साथ नहीं होगा। हमारा एक डायरेक्ट लाइन है ग्रेटर तिपरालैंड के लिए, और जो हमारे ग्रेटर तिपरालैंड को अग्री करता है राइटिंग में दे, अगर नहीं देता है तो हम अकेले पूरे इलेक्शन में लड़ेंगे। आज का तिपरासा पैसे के पीछे पद के पीछे नहीं भागेगा, तिपरा मोथा पैसे पद के पीछे नहीं भागेगा। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज। मुझे ग्रेटर तिपरालैंड चाहिए और उस इशू में वी विल नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज। वी वांट समथिंग इन राइटिंग फ्रॉम अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल गारंटी from the government of India or whoever would like to come in front and talk to us.
And meanwhile, the Tipra Motha chairman also broke his silence over the National Liberation Front of Tripura's revival tactics in the interior pockets of the state. Debarma said that the state government should take concrete measures to nullify the provocative factors that are pushing the youth of the state to take such steps. Debarma added that it takes two hands to clap, blaming some of the so-called fringe groups for misleading the indigenous youths of the state.
Control Nagarik Suraksha Manch, control Amra Bangali, and you will not have the other side misguiding other people. It takes two hands to clap, and we know who are the people who are provocating. Has the murderer of Biswajit Debarma been arrested? Has the murderer of Mantri Lal Kaiping been arrested? Has Pindulal Chakma's murderer been arrested? So my message is, there is wrongs on both sides, but if you can control these elements which are provocating one society, the other society will react. I have always spoken for peace, whether it is Tiprasas or Bengalis, Chorais or Riangs, Muslims and Hindus and Christians. We are secular. We believe in no discrimination of any religion. We believe in inclusivity. But the government has to now stop these organizations which are fringe elements, which are creating ethnic divide between communities.
Well, Tipra chairman and royal sign Pradyut Debarma also called for an end to the political violence in Tripura. Addressing media persons, Debarma said that the current spate of political violence is having an adverse impact on the people of the state at a time when the economy is already reeling under the COVID crisis.
ये जो political violence state में हो रहा है, मैं अपील करता हूँ state government को to kindly look into it and reduce the level of violence. पहले से इकोनॉमी खराब है, पहले से कोविड से सिचुएशन बहुत प्रॉब्लम में है, और इस तरीके से वायलेंस होने से त्रिपुरा में कोई इन्वेस्ट भी नहीं करेगा, कोई बिजनेस भी नहीं आएगा। और इस वायलेंस से अगर इलेक्शन होना है 2023 में तो 2023 में बात कीजिए, लेकिन वायलेंस अभी से शुरू हो जाएगा, नुकसान सिर्फ आम जनता का होगा। तो ये ड्यूटी बनता है, होम इज अंडर द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, to ensure that there is peace and there is law and order.